Hi, this is a video on how to use Google Books to look at children's books that are available out for sale or that might be out of print. So you can just go to Google and type in Google Books. It should be one of the first ones that come up. Sometimes Google Play Books comes up, but if you just go to Google Books, you'll see that you have a page that looks similar, but the word books is right underneath. Now in here you can search for anything. If you have a specific title, you can look it up. If you have a specific concept, like if you wanted to do sharing and children's books. Now in this particular resource, like the library catalog likes the word juvenile, in Google Books they welcome the word children's books, so you can kind of get to that grouping. Now when you're searching in here, whatever you type in here, like where it says sharing, it's trying to find that exact same word match. So you'll see that the word sharing is coming up in the titles. So this is better for if you're looking for concepts, but if you're looking for possibly genres, it doesn't really work all that great. So just know that it kind of is really trying to do your keyword matching. Now in your results list, you'll see that there is a toolbar that lives right here. So you'll see that if you have a book and it has a preview available, the word preview will be right here. My third book on the list does not have the word preview, so it's just letting me know that book exists. I can get some of the citation information from it if I click on the title, but it doesn't have any access. If I only wanted to look at the items that have previews available, I can just click on any books and I can say only show me the ones that have a preview available. So then I can see all of them come with that little button right there. To look inside, you can click on preview and it'll show me the book right here. And it will be a short preview because these are children's books, but it will definitely give you the flavor of the book, which is sometimes what you want before you want to request it through the library catalog. You just want to see, what does the inside look like? Does it look like it's hard enough text or easy enough text to kind of fulfill the requirements? So just know that that's how you can do it. I can click the X closed on the right hand side, and then I'm taken to this version where this is actually the new version of Google Books. And here is my citation information, and actually the newer version of the Google Books will create a citation for you. You can just copy and paste it to wherever you need. Now there is another version of this. It's called Classic Google Books, and you'll see at the top right there's a link where you can get to Classic Google Books. And so it will allow me to look at that in the same way, the preview. But it's just a little bit different. It doesn't have the citation writer like the old one, or the new one does. So it's just a little bit different. Now you can come up here, and if I wanted to look up another term like MLK and children's books, I can see I'm going to get all books like a biography about MLK, but they're all going to be written for kids. So again, I can set my limits to just previews, and then I can use those. So it's a free resource. It's just out there. I like it because sometimes I want to look inside the book and Amazon might not have a preview. So I like to come in here. And I also really like that it will write the citation for me. You can always do that in the library catalog, but you can do that in this resource as well. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.